Yo sayo no gave afiama. Una good evening. Rivière donné wagre. Una good evening, una good evening, una good evening. Make una share, make una share, make una share, make una share. Make this video yo they go viral. Make it go viral, make it go viral because whatever soon. Make it go viral. This video, let it go viral. Let it go viral. As a peacemaker. As a peacemaker woman, let this video go viral. What get viral? Okay. What get viral? What did they happen? Again in a few. Una good evening, una good evening. It is your one and only. Why me any mama but necessary with my video now. So let me quickly address this una issue where once they start to the thread again. Una issue about party where they go yesterday. Make I see, my love, how are you doing today? May I see quickly address this issue? For a good favor, Momosa. Una no say na me they cook the address and okay we don't know boy is above it do be alaho. Walaho. If you don't know wagiri. Kate. May I quickly address Meriedos first. Ike berago wanike. Meriedos. When no way jena, a dog wa go mo gwa bogbe. Ogwe adotu agbe betuge. Ogwe go mo gwa bogbe we iwato ta yo bi uga we no na expression in o I mi nu pe we de kan. I mi nu pe we de kan. We no address oma a singlet in we yo tioma. So bugi na we gbe. We address some with dagbo mudia yi dagbo do address some and they mean we ad oman we ad I mean we jo o me no je he o me wa ki agbo ma gon we no do reply ma we gba lokan o ke dollar we wa yo do ya address some. I was so ashamed of myself me dege ba proko hu egbe me ga mu me we no address some. Meriedos we take him easy because I book begging ma. Ukwaje dojore, when no wagu no ma joga ma de okay. When no ma job ma de okay, you no ego no feel ma de okay or whatever. Where de okay when our expression. Meriedos. Where my boy when our expression what take him bon where is he? Any yak bano where for when our expression will be at here. What's the problem over in? I'm a go come on yabo waiting in yabo or waiting a dology. Do man look by when no don't know my more large social media. My social media what a baby answer way. Ugbego tornado akwo gbegedian ni yakwo gbegedian npewe ya wa aje dojore ogwa atu ebe no to a big guy ogwa atu ebe no gemi atie me no ge ikolo to ebe ran ogwa ka je dojore ami ko panu pewe gbege ave mi o onare onopare we true teller him. The true teller ware uriye osokpo ni my normal ni mayaki ko de ni mayaki awe gwe uriyejo we true teller him. We no gwo magwa we maka mba oge gbu we ne we ka ade peti oge do gwo magwa. O ka gba oge gbu ene uze o mmesho we wa quality o capable o ke do gba o we ke do gwo magwa address any issue ropa. We no gwo magwa we ma de okay. Udeleba uwa wakbu we wala di amemi no pe we deke na wazonki no pa we ni anu no pa we di anu no pa we di anu emu we okan ma gbeso wa re egbe wa wo won ugbeso me agu gbeso we hisalobo ami ijo wa me bi ona mere do se check am agbon we easy take am agbon we easy we no ka we gu no ma jo ari occasion. What is wrong with that dress? Because because it's an English dress, for God's sake. They may not wrong with a dressing in Ojo no de. No, but when I jet dojore, uwe la di mame dame, ona waje di o sonti wa ya hame. Mo panya wegita mege wuwe. Oje bege ni mana $1 we go bege ni. Awehu. Ni mana dollar wehu we go bege ni. Ukmonu wejo. Aje $1 be nu kodo ebe na awehu majebe ebe na ojebe base we go bege ni. Ukmu we ni ma aje onje gbo ni $1. Ma aje gbo ni awehu. Well, I don't wear. Are you presenting? Are you one? Are you true teller? Are you one? Ukpe we waje dojure. Where condemn anything condemnable. Nemaga gi dog on my go expression. How can somebody leave you my expression yando yade? How can somebody walk by or say you my negbe wa oko? Obama sama is ayadeleni. Why mama be de okay? Ayadeleni meredosi. Where Bodan your work you do. But oh, we're totally running up where jet to show the more my way area. Never get done with the desperation. Again, one another the desperation. Emma no bomber saw all desperation. All desperation made a dosi no severe ya the kun. I want to work by book begitio. As on a run, I was what that very much social media. When what the grass all of a ladder, was all of a ladder, was all of a ladder, was soon that way. Was soon that way. Iya de Holland and when we be Maria Dossi. Esta no via dopa yin de Holland. When we be Holland be benjo pa yan. Ni mega work balo and we agbalo Maria Dossi because of I book begitin o. Okay, book begitin o. No take am agbon where is it see ewo. Ne mere dosi because I want double wow of able bobe you berere no ma. O me mo double wa o mo boss you berere. O berere when because you don't have a man. No we tota. O sie hu afọ me no be je. E me no really ko ogi ta because hu vane. O vane. Awon le gbe ma ko opa na. Opa mere dosi no take ma pon wa isi. I didn't want to bury your chanedo. Eria mafi hunu ebo gba wa kan we kan egbenu ya fi pe ari. Bogi kan we kan ni eria mafi eria mare me ba we eria ma wono na upe we wa je dojure. O wa je dojure. O wa je dojure. We go manu we ka we ewu no jo. It was not okay. We go ponu we jo le dene nania. Ha saloba abe we me ni ke pon adi ono na ni jo na die ma wa. No wago kon Maria Dosi yo ye kun ya address o Maria Dosi take am agbon we si because o we o wa me no je he I Maria Doro ye we na because he got when he renu because o nyogbe so me man need the saga but take am agbon we easy he no o we rigwaje iya ada akwa we nokpa we go pon anu am ojo ari occasion o ma de okay we go pon we ya do address o mani e gba ma very mi akin agbegbe mi very igba lokan me ga gun iyen we yes I ka gbe me ne we yes I am okay with myself before I get the address issue of it asas we ma de okay we ma de okay Maria Dosi we kun mi na we kun mi Maria Dosi o kun mi no lawa amata mo ri abo tiyen ri abo tiyen doleji usungwa na ori abo no respect you ge usungwa ori abo no respect you go to agbe Maria Dosi no lawa no gberageja awama ku ekon erie gwa di wonana erie gwa di mawanana erie gwa wo pare we bona Maria Dosi wo pare social media hagi o we abandon product we emanarie olode coronavirus na manamari olode coronavirus na opa olode ni ori do disturb we bere no ma igwe ekenohia we ya mudere posunu da we Maria Dosi wege gbogbo evugegbe enwenere wakwa analyze no analyze that one analyze no analyze we want go wa mo gwa be sie bo analyze no analyze na ugwa mama de okay we dressing no de imashogo we ni na ti evebo egbe dressing no jono de ge lolo imashogo we ni na ti evebo since my me na ti evebo suppose no can name no ye school ni no we de na ti egbe dressing na bebo take him agbon where is he na take him agbon where is he ogu gwanagi ma agwegi ma woju ko dollar yekun wo be ka gwe mi no ma jo ma de okay wo ka gwe go no ma fi ma de okay imegi tamu gwe na mere edo si mu egbe e Holland be benjore e Holland ya do ku be me Holland no we mu egbe no me ga we dressing no we address Ewa ye go ge ye fi yi okonu ke akema amu agbete ari emi ati oje be se nenebo owo na ye gbe nete ge agbe be computer okona ku ke mana a make up we ya se kabashan be no je oje mi dosi u de be berwa rawapo okon be na gwegwe na ye unu we ye be dressing no amegbe no fit dressing awa me wo awari ye gbo wa sute o wa sute Owasu te emere edosi. Benu gwe na no matter agbaleto no gwe agbalo, no matter ebe na ya address no gwe ya jegu ni he. Edeyo mere edosi. Edeyo elegisi ofitu gwe elegisi. Elegisi etutu naira. Ofiti we beki na jo oni egba oni ohian fiti we. Elegisi be handless. Eni ohian fitu gwe na. I standard body na ri ukmoji wa jemi won we je seminar na ujo de okay we adominu we adobe de yon ya igo e me do ko de ko bere ne expression we hina because e me ya mu we ki we ya na we go we to we mu go ma be ria unu gwa na tago wa jiku ugwa gbele €500 imegi ka mu gwena na we ikuro nu wa be Holland ke Holland se mi ati o mare gbe meri edosi ke Holland se benjo o mare gbe meri edosi ni me doge 1 million naira nu we kin afi o pa na je na ri egbo maji we me ge to kara nyama o kara meri edosi nu te ke magbon we izi o ko no fie 2 naira as far as so de ticket your lawa emi omako saniwe amani aji kwe is well appreciated. She is well appreciated. No wa take time agbugwa izi azungwa kadero ade wa sun nero la inbo azungwa so wa tebe ku ye yo wani wa re de gbe sun e imebe leru kadero ade ga zenu wa ya nu wa so be ba ni ku wa vi oyu wa na vi no manoro la de ba ge no manoro ye continue ime yo salobo aya emi wa azungwa ni nu wa viole kedero ade wala wa viola wa ye viole ufu no wa no manoro no wa viola de kedero ade no wala ho no wa ye vie no manoro la de no wa se ne manoro azen no wa yari since de no wa se ne ayo wa no wa vie no manoro la de bokina mere edosi wega ga je dojo ne enike ya rido agun bo sunu that way wo pa repeti uga ave me kun orun pa no we mi no de okay ba we and we no nia me ne ma me be gbugwe o I no just know imam ni ami be gbu ni ana ye da me he inyogun he ni peke na bo hunu ebe no ma gba no ko onu ladian Eria mama figo se, eria ma wanana, eria disgrace da fo eria ma disgrace da eme dengwa ala dian no wa harakwa. No de me get the video. E man gwa be ke igba be total you na man total you know de. Throughout yan ke do true. I mak gbe ba Ghana. E fo me kin adoyo na de gbe di charger. Ega ni esa ya ku, I mek gbe na siegi ye ke na sun mento bi me na igagbe. E man gwa be aje no de. I was so happy. But everybody welcome her. They were not love her everywhere. Welcome Mary Edosi. Welcome. Okay, on pon ya no job la video ni wodele wo han obo wana do fi o e va no fake laugh ngwenere gwe me no fake laugh wala wa te kama gbo wise o I don't understand we no wa so ya nyi me peti uge o wa nyi me no gazen wa ti wa sazen be no wa so ya nyi wa ti wa sazen ni are review we gume ni do ya mo gwa wa koka konu gwa dia wa ti wa sazen and just come on for my live video, man. Just they block you out. Well, no, destroy my wagwalo. How about I make you stay your lay? This I get your time this evening. Man, supportive. I no support anybody. I dey neutral. I know they support, but me know they support evil. Evil, I know they support. If now you where they look me so they just see they talk bad thing for your body, I go see come here, come talk as it dey. Me, I know they anybody side. I know they anybody side. I know they support this one. I know they support anybody. I dey my own lane. But truth have to be said at all time. At all time. Oh, come on. When on ya, when makpa. Any ati ebegwe wena. Ogwe we mere dosi what's your woman a ticket UK or a ticket Dublin or a ticket Manchester no where here. Okay, only me bolo for benjo yan wo ma mere ne France gbe where there will be first so zedina no we working with Paris no we ya gbele €500 no we afi no ya gbele upo Nigeria na ri egbo maji bata loji ne we agbere education is e me no mo video we ama weta that we dressing wa ki dressing agbon na ma emi agbon de Iya no Kokomo still talk about Lolo. Iya no Kokomo was still there yesterday now. She was still there yesterday. Iya no Kokomo, she's an adult woman. Why go with me dress Lolo? Okwa ba be nye beki. Me ye bu dressing no dena. Again oteme ya make sure any. Imi abo je ne dressing. I think it was orange dress no joy gbe abi walking they are wear dressing or dressing no de. So ye okwa ba nye beki. Boy go ateme dressing Lolo. It's ready for I am not way because of hatred or whatever or too much be. Forget. One issue with a Lolo, sort it out with Lolo. I no soon we party. If you want to unaba issue with a Lolo, face Lolo 101. Okwa your question now. Oh, why your question hammer? Honore, awa any address say. Not pare, eri address say. Not pare, eri address say. Ija. I do not feel like no journal. I don't balo gege Google with live video here. Kederwade. I me no feel like no jo or journey. What's over here? Then imagine you can feel like one me anjo are in no occasion. Maria Manidoro video no kokomo, but Okwabano. She had to still respect herself once in a while. I respected by once in a while. You can't tell when I made the video. I saw the video. Of course, yes. When you have to be respected, be your who buy you, he's no. Is ye mono. Eugene Beka go, was Nigena support no better, young women, Nana Wauna, Amy no back. I saw that video with my eye, madam, they say, Awa. Ya, when my mere video niti bata. What's up on Ori Budenabe or coming one or dinner? But I want nena who banoro. What if person go talk now? What if person go talk put? One in who banoro, one matty my emiagun. Why is you be a canoroke? an elderly woman like you. Wa mighty mammy agbon. Where is he be a candidate no rohe? It's just a question. Because he married Madorovie. Maybe no man like bera, or maybe no man will like bera. Why, when you are now an adult woman or who back where ye, is ye no, he be a munya cake bene. And ye say, ne mo upcoming one ni revani, ni ave adame ho. I don't understand. Because I cannot say my time with you, Ihuoba no mo borek betiuge. Iate ku bakege go why so bakune. Most of you don't get me wrong. Why so gele bakune? The go we. Inate ungweso menate nenemi. Why am bobi me wobo? Why so bakune be go we na? Wa bakune. Wa bakune be go we. Ama gwa wa weta irobi wa. Awono na. Aonyi me dano ro wa so hin. Aoji arobi wa. We dano. Back where ye. I could take life easy with ourselves. I not dare anybody group any kata. I am a neutral person. Igawa me matati wa tavenoji. Iwa tavenoji. Iga we no la. And I know the look she face. If once I want to say one. Iga we no la. Because of too much ibe. Or ibungberi. That video you did. Iye no kokomo. It was very, very wrong for your own side. Because me egunu webejo we are uwikuni. Ana we na lele video. Ana we na lele video. We mabe bale to we ye ne no wiku. Eguni mebe degu we degi. It is we. Ni ha video. Dana we na lele video. A video no we nana asweni we me dege. That is none of my business. But where do I go my way? Why not come and shoot? Sort it out one-on-one. What's so quiet? Aje patina enu why ga kule ma hi egbere. Aje patina na ado mwenyo ma ado ana e pati agbera no gbera ni. Wa wo ware wa gele respect e manu waru dan education. O ma sen ngba bana oko wa gbenu wa ya address e gba bi shu na. Oko gbenu wa ya adam is emi ya fefefe wa we se ne wa ona nu wa jogo na do yogo dan do ya sangwase. Bosunu nai. Bosunu yi. Okegbe. Ama no uje no we party ama we party for gwagwa we do amwe sore ni. No de na ti agwa iye no kakama. And look at what you did today. And where go who backing. Where go who backing. You are a mother. He is ya. He couldn't know that as when you were sick baha. If I did no mistake, what sununai? What sununai? Is that Unyime dana igawa mi ebe Europe. Unyime dana una. Igawa mi ebe Spain, France, Italy. Imemi bunyime nan obian. Eken wan bege na no understand why why setting working. Wema debe ni China. Unyiwe na ni mewa mi wan mina. Ami ona be Spain. Ami ona be asepe yani hohua. Ami ona be Spain. Ami ona be Italy. Ami ona be biante unyiwe dan ro wa hin. After she praised you yesterday, you cannot even wait. Let her done with her own party first. And you start coming at doing the worst. What praise the respect in we agree no man no way a party nana. Then you have a tia west no de where you want ladian when I end the say party was you. Mini hero desta when I occasion Rude ye no kokomo lolo when I occasion. May we see the take things easy with ourselves. Oh bungbegi tiao. Ohuo bahwe ye. Oga bugbe ye no kokomo egitin ao. Ohuo bahi. You could have respect and let this occasion done first. That way here you go. Feel free to do anything you want to do. Emma. Oh man, where your question get no day in Raju we go. Me matere de go we. Ye gane de boy ya go iye no kokomo nya. Iye no kokomo reba because ku work dread me we me ku work dread no ga ro wo hu. Imi o no de na because true dread ni me ya go we ga no. Make we wa take life easy. Take life easy. Ohu oba we kiwa. Ohu oba ho ye. You are not a kid. Job wewe ko mo jeune. O mo jeune. Ologo meke gwoma gwan. O wa loho. Ege no go na trade kian bedero. I stand ground here. I so ga give me we house awe be ga so wege. We ma wo ko na magbe. We ma iya ga gi me. Wo go we dere. Ime ga gbin na no we be ma. Well, what's here? Bet was soon no. What did happen? Eh? I know they insult anybody because I mean no we malake. Oh what mani education get no dey go atin even no tin me atie. I know they insult them. Me again insult eh. How me version work a video. I know they insult them. Mere gbogbo yo hun we anything. We ni kata. Opo wa na kokome. E mo pa na oke monu la den we are always sorting. Yes. That is me. Or suppose you no kokomo ito tasi. Oh, we me kuni gwankan. Bagi ya look up to wana. Bagi ya look up to uwa. Devi no gwa okay. Ahwenia. We wa doze na ne ba kwe. Aya kwa vedore. Obono we ya woze na. We do ya ve esta no wi me. Ene na ka no wi me. Na pa no wi me. Na pa. That is one thing. Ogbeso a love video wa all ha me were baby a o ni jeba. Oh ha me. You are just a mother. You are not a baby. For God's sake. Ohu oba hwe ye we wa. Even the clothes she was putting on. Me dege ya no dena. Egbe na material prove ke. Ni sira work but you well at me mana because every video I tag it and I save all of them. Okay for okay down because you have your YouTube me. Okay down. I save all of them because you only view your YouTube. Mo ya me save because me chance ya upload it. So, ni me try ni me make you no kokomo understand. Be no owo kan mujijo igbe no teni. Ogi kuna ya wa fo yin tore ne ri me ya ga ya respect o. O wa gi kuna ya la hin tore ne. Gwega iga gun amege ni no wahala. Bi kuna e gwa eroto. Ame true with ikuno roto. Bella, I don't want to look your comment today. No, I know. I don't watch your comments for today. It may be some other time, but for today, you don't want to. You don't remote me to another dimension. No. I don't do it. Your comment today is unacceptable to me, and I will not read it. You cannot say carry me go another dimension or another dimension. When I am ready for your comment, it will not be for today, but it will be for another one. Waiting. Ladian Ibani, mere just be ladian. Ukmo no ni be George wo kodolo. De tu we wa gba lokan no de na ije nu kokomo. I could have said where he matter wa no a dressing no there was one time. It was perfect. Come the best, you know, among best. That is why so why women why kage bu wagene wa ke ayo wan be show example side. Yes. We are your question ka gbalo kan. We are here dori bude no ma. Aka yage a dressing we dressing a vocation. I a dressing we vocation. Then where our he or gele wa dress kan. We ma debe ni atoge mama Beatrice na. Our time when Mama Beatrice dressed very good. And Mama Beatrice in Aladdin don't go anybody go. Nobody will challenge her. Take it, all of it. Nobody will challenge her. Eh, when Mama dress even no keke, where do Aladdin do agon? Wala ho na. Wala ho. Wala ho. Obu bagi tian. When who can have a dress so dress your dressing where I bali geleni. No woman of you. All I gele then I'm over saying yes. He geleni or feel wow bona or feel wow bona. Then we will know yes, you want to address issue. Because I many may have the vocation in ode. It is where one. When I am a denena do agioma. It looks somehow. I am highly disappointed. Disappointed. I am totally highly disappointed. And I when I do not call Wesson. Ni me come a proko godfather baba no more dressing well at it. Or ni me to be made mama no fear lad. Because I don't like when you try to bring somebody that humiliates people when they went to occasion for happiness. Walking. Is it not the that means a desta when I arrive a dressing no major where ya give. God bless you, my darling. A dressing no major where ya give. Ni Meriedoso, even the dress where Meriedos dress self. May you my way my dollar away with my big way again. A dressing in Meriedosi yala diavena no na ka wo emi no majo go ma de oke. Uko dollar ni ma lovi gwe awewu ni ma lovi gwe. A dress my kwebeje gbo ni ya pentuke dollar. Can you imagine nonsense? I'll get a body my frustration expression ukini or kodo hi enya whereby. Can you imagine? All of them no boy de kan o target Church all over the place. Because all do too much igbe. Mama mana go gwa egbe ranwa. Ije no kokomo for people. Ije no kokomo for enemy. We be do aladian, we do humiliate man we no ma joma de okay. And the one you put on was not really good for my liking. And we do atamama go ma de okay. What's more? A singlet webe jo no dena. No webe jo no den material ga anu. A material ga anu. I don't look people face before I say the truth. I said you only here we busy with. We la jen do atamama we nya no nyakin no we ba jo yegbe material ga anu na material no. Material ni na be sebe na debe baba swani market. Even aswani market ana dele we gani. Iya. O we gba lokan. Ema ya niga arugwe question no dey even abo sibe nije ba no dey. The gallants. The gallants. We ma be dege princess everywhere. But they ya gba lokan na. We do atamo ma we mi no ma jo ma dey okay. Ha. Ya wa po bi ga gi onwa. I take them easy this year. I take it easy. I don't like what you people are doing. I don't like it. Go back where ye. Why do I walk when now? They that we put in wherever the real no walk where I will walk down with her. You as a woman is misbehaving like this. What did you expect from the younger ones? You as a mother misbehaving like this. What did you expect from the younger ones? Wa wunya monyimi wa la ihu oba ni ro iwa wo sise wa do atamoma we no mala wa da wo la gwa me no niki da wo la gwa me no niki abo ame wa mi don dan yo dan re ihu oba ho here. Can you imagine? I get match, my sister. Blessing God. I get matty. But why push your man too far? I cannot be bearing all those things. Once in a while, suppose now tell my time I will no je. I get mad. What's on na eh? Even when the nana here no kai na ekie na kai no de. A dressing waje no kokomo. Ah here na kai. A dressing waje jo request that by a dressing na no dressing no de. Ah here na kai. Be good. I do atama way, Erioma Mwebese, Erioma Wanona, where Makawa Regbu Wesi. I know they look all of on a face, believe me. When I am ready to talk to anybody, I don't look a face. Because why I talk to you like this, because you don't respect yourself. That is why I talk to you like this. You don't respect yourself. Of course, she the Zuzu. Everyone they know how to talk or they are Zuzu. Zuzu. Eh? Okay, Ladia me mana odo atale kweme. Iwe ni mena akin na kai. Ege na akin na kai. Egbe wo ni e mejo ege ni akin na kai. That is it. Forget it. Ime yegbe me kagie. Egbe wo nu gwejo ari occasion ni e me yakin na kai. Yeah. Oh, do Ladia ndo we ni gego no majo. That is called English words. Hey, bed dressing you feel like no job. I don't like you. You understand? Bed dressing you understand? Sorry, Jare, na pesi call inside. Bed dressing we yakin na kai. Ngwa we ladian we do be. Wala na. Wala ho. Me ami o na gun. Even ni menado reason menado ansa wa. Menu ari bude ni ladian. U gba lokan. Any for example, Esther no we dokpa yo DSP ni giogbe. Maybe me gari yo occasion ni. In my dress say I don't have right to come and challenge anybody for live video. You may ratini because my dress say I was not really okay on that dressing. He was silu no megbo abenyana. He silu no megbo he goyo. How make it dress igbalokan no wa me no view. Oh come. Me akin do address you we. Ya ye be la do gbalokan he do address you we. We just see I do balokan and need to address it with yo. Oh, me na kina working what ne manipuya dele wakan. We my dress is saving no de. Woma even we kuni ya fe ye no kokomo. Gegui. It's like the old dress is the most local dressing. It's the most local dressing. You are adult woman. You are ohuwa backing. Ohuwa back way ye. Uwe bi okana ro nyari ejo obo. E do wa gbagele ma emokin. Wo bi okana. We gani ni gbanjo. Ana kin egbokun ni. We me no gbanjo. Wa ro shodi oke. Ni bi gba iga fi ege gogo yen. Gbanjo. Evani ana degbe ewu ni nu wejo no de. Evani ana degbe ewu ni. Oga me de dosi no ro yen de ma bo ma we. Everybody know yes oni. He's talking out of frustration. Awa han we je so ogo ni ma bo ma we. Out of frustration ni yatowe. Cause ya wo a video ni mi eva proko concerning why ma ilake I watowe. Ya we like it owe. Imalake. Every time. Ukpo na je na ri egbo manji. yana. All the time, problem all over the place. Problem all over the place. Demini maagi wevo buwa. Demina ni ma wevo buwa. Why me shoe with Oma? Who was sote one on one? All this on occasion matanu wa omaje party na nuwa ya mu yari agwese omaje party wa kuhundu a monitor me no jo yegbe me no do de okay o do ma de okay. That is not good. O wa ki kulema nuwa te invite ma vi kuna o ha mu ya be ni ya jare. That is not good for my liking. And the no then otia me next start here we ye mama botia ma be video. At the end of the day, when I do kick but you go when I do kick but you do I go where you go no major my day okay. I go the lalo jono do maso work by bokma take it or leave it. Oh what back him? I was at the respected buwe. Then you who work here made I may rock pano yate rovi make boa. Ni yata wo ma sukin o ma sukin. E ya ka robi eme bo ku gwedere. Aga no we ya si okun go do kun ni we ni adoge lapi we do go no na. We ma ga video ni ba proko. Abi aproko na be gossip wala be ma ni ati. We ma ga video we ni. But I stand on my live video to defend you because I don't like intimidation. Me ma o ado amon agboto I don't like it. Arovi me video weni. Wherever a presenter ni me stop the WhatsApp. Emo weni anyo soni. Imasa me yunu yata. Onyo soni. Be ationa. That is what I always do on social media. Ya game or mo panada vio yete bu mena. Omaniti mena we no ya set a case in settle. Because make it do akbody on me live video me. For you sending it to me, you have to make peace. Go and make peace between them. Yes, I bet the audio almost it. No, ya no make a peace with him. Because it dole was your bed. It is go and make peace with them. Oma we go wagon. Wa le mi go na ya go wagon. Whereas why they be berwa wakbu. Why they be berwa wakbu? They fake life waju wahun all over the place. Why they ask you about where okpobi we obegi onwa. Why say they be berwa wakbu? Je to ye. Yeah. Why when in the live video banana? Nany cousin wabe joni we nega ya we miesia. Any cousin was so you any when I ya we no ma. What did happen? Eh? Yako why yo? Aka when wagi no what do I destroy no ware no what do I gwezo why we come here we el. Our guys on or na makati won abo. Why ta? Trouble maker all over the place. Have a fool at 50, still a fool forever. Voila ho. Enough, eh? Enough. Awagbo nikigo le loma. Every such occasion, they just go there to jubilate, to dance, to do this one. If 5 naira is money. Or 10 naira is money. Because you don't walk one. No really come feel wiku. Walk one. A lot no man wadamula jana. It's not acceptable to me. A lot done. Palatian, oh, wagige ni ma ya ni jocation. Wage ma ya ni jocation. Ge ma ya ni jocation. Agie dan dogele le ram with him. Walking. Waga iti ema viku. Agi me no rijo. Iba bomos la waso bebe vani. Waki susu le lekpeti yuge unero la yivo. Waso ki susu le lekpeti yuge. Oh, hey, get invite of vocation. Is that a good thing? Is that a good thing? How okay, a presenter never see a na the occasion. The occasion what a fana motien so Allah you was so bewa. Unero live. The occasion a fana motien also do Allah you was so be. Keno mavu we hene mavu we. Have idiot fellow. Unero live. Abu no kiro no jilawa. Unsusu. I'm done. When what dress is another, it may give you your way. You looking beautiful. I was so admiring that dress. I don't know what is most of you guys' problem. Are they okay? He was looking great on that dress. Oh, why ye Nigeria? I wear to the word that my ya TV go on away. I do to the word the very. Oh, why ye keve dressing? Why maybe na ya dress here? Mosita igele ari occasion. Must that person tie igele to occasion, or must that person maybe na ya put in why? Ogbale lesi yegbe kan. Even someone like hey, even so like English dress, just simple dress. Put it on and go where they are going. Just simple dress. Understand though? Even the system Sandra no ga gbe the first day ni aso we double ni ejo ni o carry so we forget you. Oh ne Sandra ni wa jo be the sister Sandra ni no ya carry so we ni ogbe we nyawe. After the respect and everything, after the we no respect we se we no tie ni we se we kuni no de o we ye ladian do try no do unya. I'm not laugh again at truth now. That our sister Sandra. A dressing a red dini. No ya no gele ya bomb and bederioni. O massa nijo komojo ari occasion. Yes, I said that. Iwa tabi noji. Wala ho. Wateke mag bungwa easy. Because ona gai bungberi tiao. O bungberi tiao. Ukbogwa no ron ngwene meri dosi. Ukyo bi okwo ye social media. Ukpe we ka je dojore. O miene ha. Ukpe we ya ga de. Be no bi okwo tuvero. Ukpe we ya ga te. O ga de. Anemi no ukpe we de kan. We ga igare side expression we ni. Ukpe we ni. O wa je dojore. Ho come. No gakin expression omoro paro no gbodan your work we gi wine gbo we wa mo we mere dosi more the expression no we petu more dai no be like wo we de o we de no gi wine gbo e mo we de agbe okay bugbagi o I full at 40 it's a full forever o bugbagi o no ladian ogun no pa ladian pro no pa ladian I will say ayebe rowie ayebe buode uwe ladian we do na be sile selite pisilu nu wegbo ana be woke go e ade yoni oh we well ladian na on my west oh we wodi on my we wodi oh Ghana I wodi saloji aha we yo ariana magwari yabi na we gun have a message girl and wake up kuhu go ma tour ni bi Ghana ha stand over here dokpa yi aha we yo one day we iwo ma gbe wa lege meri edosi iwo ma agbe wa lege we ma we stand the we stand not you forget you iwo ma agbe wa lege o me no ma fi pe yi o me no ma fi pe ji he dey trouble. You understand? So wala ho ime watabe noji. Wa ma oye magbunwa. Ako amogba ogbaria nu wa kin repeti uge wa so nero la yo. Abako amogbaria wa amemi ako no gbavo we kenu wa je ako na gba ako na mo o we gbavo ero nu wa so we wa. Na wa muria. You don't even respect the person who respect you yesterday. Where your question no de azen la no de mo wena azen ola no dogbe. Azen ola no dogbe. That means you did not went to that occasion because of Esther Dokpayi. You went there to go and view things to come and be doing on social media. That means you don't have respect for anybody. Even the one who has respect for you. Take your life easy. Take your life easy, woman. Iye no kokomo. Okuoba. Amata moria wo wetin riawo. O wetin ideology. Unukbo weje na nu we na ye nyugbo nyime nu we nyina we peti uge. Unukbo, I just want to ask that question. Unukbo weje. Because 20 years na be nyegbo nyime ni awoke ifun o ma ewe wo. 30 years na be nye awe woke ifun o ma ewe wo. A 50 something years old woman. A 60 years old woman. Ebu we ye nyegbo nyime. Ikarete mo pa ne de na we e ma nu wa we o gido ai o hu ba hu ye. Ala ho. Why me ro pa. You will not teach anything at all. Forget it. As I said, they say, in winere. Oh, kosan wa bekpeti. Wa me lucky. I want we feel worried. Don't push that person too far. Don't push that person too far. Because me magbanu wa so viva. Eme no ko wa so nu laje. O ma sekpe. O ma sekpe. Dorena ije laveze ije nenemi ije mommy salo buame are do ami ewe monu wa bi elogiri bude nu wa. Is that not a shame and disgrace? Ado me ewe monu wa bi ele ogiri bude nu wa. Even when emeri edosio when iye no kokomo ukun wa eva orije no kokomo egba ya hin na kai oga emeri edosi e ma ya ukodolo wa. Can you imagine? Eva ni mi wa proko. It is all bread the breast. No go no come. Everything is 0/100. Everything is 0/100. I'm 0/100 one. Your pass mark as a mother is 0/100. You don't have the manners of mother. Forget it. Oh, well, what back? Forget 0/100. What you know? The result wherever you don't have one pass mark. As far as I am concerned. You really disappoint me. Wallaho. Iwa tare denena. Anybody, if you no respect on yourself, if you no respect on yourself, for this social media, already come kanwa. If you no respect on yourself. See, they worry most of una for themselves. Mother my foot. Iji mena anyi we nuwe ya nyina. Mokpa ni atama we nuwe ya nyina. Unfortunately, iji o jare bieme. Watota. Why I view all the time. Because of why do too much but why you made it when you were on a what too much because who were your occasion in the I got praise where na praise. I got sue anywhere anyway. But here but do I way in ne lolo jogoma de okay. Because you don't know you don't understand English. Masha wa so we ko ye school. Then menoma bejo even understand English wesi even I here many people wa when bodoje buba rapari vocation aga invite vocation da ne pe ajesutu ni hoje skirt and blaze or short nika or nenemi e yanjo ame we nia we no ve do agioma nene pon ifun na aja gwa logo we ni ba gwa bogo ne pe ha oko e mo se sono we be do aladi tamo ma we ri o ma de oke eri emi no jo ma gba eri ona ma de oke eri ona ma de oke eri ona de oke wa mi ne ha ihu oba na wow ma do wa mo do wa so we wa I don't know. Me no ge merie dosije e bo ya cassava honey. Because egbe akonho e ona do anyunyi matosi ni. O manari ya gba nwa mi onyi matosi. O de ereri yen de yo be noje. Egbe gbo ido akan wa gwa lo pe amone merie dosi because egbe no do akan merie dosi. Okmani ke no do ya ala peti uge do atali ku even hwa wala ho we no so vie frankifo aege merie dosi no le lovie do wa gwa lovie do mu ne merie dosi no wa we no se frankifo aebe kun e sage frankifo no gbokun yo egbe odo ya nyunyi matosi no nyiwe peti uge e sage frankifo no gbokun ye merie dosi egbe odo ya nyunyi matosi e wo ogwe hin ewa abo no ki gbo ni san ne be pe abo no ki gbo ni san o wa we no do atale no lagbon ho because some immune is sanki be gbe wa se na o na do ala dian ta le ko em wala ho wa erere gwa lo pe amune wa owe mikuno wa gwa lo pe do mu ne miri edosi wa gese frankifo abekun because unyi me dan oro ni o sa game frankifo no gbokun yo ekun yo wegbe o ya do anyunyi me dan do anyo every minute of the day akwa we robe do towe I akwa we rade to aboju de yo erugbo fema wa ya gwa lo pe amune meri edos ogo nivo ebo ya gwa enwe isagini no ro ma isagini makakaka ndi me person yelele na isaginda o hiye meri edos egbe o se no na do amiewe erere egbin dede gbo ya do atalevi no magba why wa ogo ti gbode ere ro gbin na o se egbegbo kikan o iware ato is talking out of frustration so the a little advice ni me wa menu wa hia fefefe wa gomegwa lo pe edomu ni meri edosi no vandalize o ga gele vandalize serere ni yarioto wa me jeto je ni wa hemiri edosi ve peti uge jeto je ri ogbaji e de be berwa ro bakpo me mere mi kun agbon wo je be je Nigeria be dero di say ye be no meri edosi ba kesun we gbowe wa se we na respect gbowe wa se na respect gbowe cho who respect gbowe Abewe akati abejowa abe mi apa kate be gbe ogwe nothing like that oja ka oje Nigeria be derio be mi ati enu munya ho if the life for dressing we dress in Africa wa mo ne mabo ma we wa mo no gioma se wa mo ne de bebe wa bakpu wa mo no gioma se we manaji ko landi o jane gbo na meri edos we mana galanti ari ko meri bi kwesta no we da pa ni awu be mi ati we mana galanti ari eba ni ko jane gbo ke no jo be jemi ke ya you must go there because jemi re ni benjo ere you must go there meri edos no we ya fie 1 million naira no afi bona je na ri gbo maji but do you feel any 1 million naira no afi when me jena isoge when me yago we say I will fake life me yago we because nothing like say a skin on my shiny nothing like say we a skin on my shiny nothing like say we skin on my a skin we shiny is not shiny for anything. Bien il vient voor ivoirien wa be skin wa be je eri ogweje meri edosi. Eri ogweje. Won agbakara we yegbe. No gwa lo pe agbon na ga ri na we wo tota. Gwa lo wi edo na ga ri na we wo tota. Omo we mu at least no ti a service we se na rere we na me na ri oto ko si degede go yeye. Wala wa ya ga video meri edosi wa proko. Why get for ne why go me we are get singlet jime he na we jime he saloba meri edosi o to support no address issue ni that how ma o na be gun kan he jime ere wa gbobo yan na yi o saloba meri edosi o he ebo we ye je singlet aga amoma Ugu ado ya guoma no de okay. Ugu ado ya guego mekpeti we. Singlet aga mama we joni ah. E we jo. We wala profile we but na wala Facebook we. Ave mi okpa ya zokpa. Go an wa check e froari oto iga ba e ya ni talon. O mana ki jona be na jenet gan. O mana jenet gan be na jona. O mana jona be na jona. What are you talking about? Iwu wa gberi upa wa gberi ebi ta le ko emelele han meri hin ifo e wodi no hin ne human he u gana ha bata wodi ya ha we ne meri edosi you keep your mouth shut. You don't know what to say la wa no la o wa we dia e gasi ya no na lele wodi we ba then we ba ewu kuyan no river de no ba ewu kuyan no river enwinere Wow, mama. Okay, what the ove star jubilative stage. Emi dan we no. Wa mi ma no koko wa onu wa lagwepo. Wa onu wa lagwepo no wa destroy ya. O sa so wa so ohun ne ro la iwo. O sa so wa so. Well, me Eva no de. They are looking take away Star and Edward Salo. They are looking take away. Esther Edward is see one which everybody know about that. So we are see one. You don't expect her. Almost to West Tag by the stage. You don't expect her. How dare you? Egbokan we na. Gwema egeri o ya dere. And they come over many of una. I over una na. Nonsense. If you at 40, I'll be work with any 40 near my way. Oh, wow. Why so we were? Why my get your yadere? They are two bestie. They love themselves. Hey, oh, God, no near if I have a man and a wow, or no, you have a boo weary in a media dosi. Nene, oh, God, near if I'm you have a boo weary in. Now, what? Wa ma na ya wa na wa so yen we na life high. The two of them are really happy and I am grateful to God for both of them. I am grateful. Do talo la wala ho azun wa ni wa ye kipe you over. Wa kipe you over. Cause ikuni mama Esther ma ekwo Europe azun ho wa ni wa ka viole kedero ade na gboya na gogo we just wa azun wa le wa kipe you over. Okay, no manoro wa say asadi because you gay was ogwe ni avio bumedina aya mo wa we azun wa ni wa say ayo wa no manoro wa viola de nema wa say ayo wa no wa vie no manoro la de ave no wa we kedero ade kosa wa kwekuna ha mai mioto kwekuna ikuru na we iko ojo homi homi na ryukuse hije me oge Europe na mami owe ima aku eve na aku no wakado oni ya ogberani. This is new Esther Edokpaji and we all are ready. No man se be ko we no ya mudia ne no kwekuna ben sajo azeno manoro oge dan wo wa no mama no wa yari avec petit o ne ro line No man mani ro mekana. Erun wajasu estano via dokpai. Ikunati ma ko eti ma miotoi. Because this is time for Europe. A Europe arena. And ima must to miote European. Ima miotoi. O wagba tonya. So wari elita no nya egwin yin kun. So wari elita no nya egwin yin kun. Wa mi no gogo wagu. Wa mi no gogo wagu. Wa mati dolo ku waji. Wa be mi no dolo reji. Onisun wa emudi aye funpa. Emudi aye funpa. Onisun wa emudi aye funpa. Wa making on no gba oko na wagu wa atakiri. Wagu wa atakiri. Wa make no gba oko na gogo wagu wa atakiri. Ehi wa mi. Ani be bolofo. Wa na wa mi wages two bestie are good. Wa ivo ho wa mana dida la wekpo ni ne wa hewe. Wa hewe. No sense. Lolo, you are good to go. Ugele, they okay, no, that you were really looking exclusive and splendid. I don't know about others, but you were really looking good. Looking take away on that dress. Because that dress was really okay. It really suits you. I comment on that video. It may stop by now so I comment. Why not? Because it was looking amazing. But when you are doing rubbish, I tell you, then a Lolo, me with Lolo never quarrel for social media one day. My voice may exchange words one day, but I don't think I will be till I leave social media. My voice may make bezel one day. I want my go, I exchange words. My Lolo may even show one day. And we will never be. I don't hate anybody. Maybe when you are doing things at that particular time that I don't like, I stay away at that moment. Not that I hate anybody. No, I don't hate it. You are really okay yesterday. You look take away and splendid. It was really amazing. Cause ya normal like it. Legacy ajove denedo. Legacy mi ajove denedo. Yeah, legacy ni. Stock is a lady or song ya say I will not view many view kowe. Ni view kowe. No wawa me na narrate even waya like eko. No wa me na narrate even waya like wala owo. Ikuna haida ye fie mugbo e European. Hey, ima gelegbe alamasiyo ewo jao esta mena na radio gie ugiu dolevo alamasiyo ewo jao esta mena na radio gie ugiu dolevo alamasiyo ewo jao esta novie dokpa yina na radio gie ugiu dolevo alamasiyo ewo jao esta novie dokpa yina na radio gie ugiu dolevo alamasiyo ewo jao heo esta mena na radio gie ugiu dolevo alamasiyo ewo jao esta mewenu na radio gie ugiu dolevo maro ha ajemi rene o ajemi rene yes ugavie yore if you Europe wagavie yore wa yore o gestaro wagavie yore wa yore o go vi waro wagavie yore oriomo ya o wagavie yore wa yore o gestaro wagavie yore vi oriomo ya bo wagavie yore wa yore o go vi waro wagavie yore Wagavie yore. Wagavie yore. Wayore ogestaro e. Wagavie yore. Yes. This is Oriomo. Proud daughter. Ni mahia ya go anybody kuvisievo. This is Oriomo proud daughter. Again, this is Esther Regine. And our Kueta Mutoi. Our Kueta Mutoi. Ijiri. Keni mena wa boku baba. Ni ya lerum ogwe ednerum tota. Esun. Egena. Iku na imagele ku erudanwe. Iku. Ojo homi. Omi na ryokuse. Iku. Oje manivi Oriomo. And the behia. Ema here yaje ike. Because we don't know about any other one. If you're we don't play with it. Anybody. Esther so what if you all let international of the idea European rule down where is what we want. If you're we are ready to be promoting you guys. Oh, you are welcome to this land of Europe. Mama need a life in no kagbira. A life in now. Once actress is coming to this land of Europe, we are going to support. No more intimidation, no more nonsense. Okay, and so Europe, here I come. France, why day tickets? It's on the 28th, live and direct. Oh, Paris in Igyobe. Na kukuni. On the 28th, noga. On the 28th of this month. If you never bought your tickets, go and bought your ticket from. I will try to collect a FSOZ number tomorrow from my darling Jessica. So that I will bring it to social media so that you will be collecting the number to bought your ticket wherever you are in all over the France. Wahia wakbagbe. This is Esther time. Erenore wegoma aya koko. Ni manivye Europe tamia bena yanyi he. Bena yanyi he. Ba ajo question. Eba ye lago question. Emi no ma job evani. Waso make heaven. Kwa iketa. Waso wa make heaven. O wa ibe do anyu nyime ni anyi we church wa fi owela we church akuhu he we tori e last time wa da be muladian hi e stockisi ya iri ye we na iri e blue red shoe brown shoe trainers iri yo onona iri e black trainers iri yo we no pa e legisi mi aya lakuni ikuesta e legis me onu wa get go viral all over the world you onu wa get go viral. Iwi onu no go viral. Wa meta. Your madrass. Kwa ba hoye. Anyisi. Waga iganyibe no gazin. Waso waga iganyibe no gazin wa anyisi. Ni bie kame na bi ho no gwa be de agbe. Waga anyisi. No waga iganyibe no gazin. Kasi miore meredo sinore huwe gbemena mwe. Igibe kinyago dao vegije nuko komo. Hisa lobwa. Hi yabije na awe na tiri. Ogo mateti. Ije ati ije. Egane dedawe ya tiri. Tijwere. Na ije na. Awe na tijere. Hiyo age ije gbinari ukmofuwa ve streeti. Ato ati yomo. Ama no ayati enekwen yoma. Uti enero wa. Omo. O enero wanoro ije noro wanoro onyunye matosi nero wanero nia nero wanoro o emoniro so no wa me na respect egbuwa abi who by my foot ebaye apena gbere ba ale no jima fe gbe na ti egbe adase mete we no gugwe wa derive derioni agugwe o wa bo emegbezo wa megbezo that is not my business meni kata emi ni me wa guyi o e ba education na even no sunu vocation wa have you ri epeti uwe That is not good for my liking. Cause ema mohane, people are afraid of you guys for God's sake. That is a minimum moujina. Emi nuwa ve lolo kame bezo oni made de kosanime. Elon wada viola diana o kosanime. Amare regbu wadiano riwa oga geta sibi without. Amare regbu wadiano riwa. Me, I am not ready for that. I have an occasion to even take care of begeneke akbegbena. Ohu wani mero. Ema here ne me invite who tagbon de moscon. De moscon because winu wani o mamume. Kareta, me de be ga invite presenter okpa because he etik balama. He setik balama. Setik balama go wa do to agbe. Ni ma hia ke education we Spain. Ama emi we eriona ma de okay, eriona de okay, eriona ma de okay. Upo wa ga je dojori. Meni me ke education we Spain. Me emi va mona la jandana do vandalize ana do agi ogwe mi no jo ma de okay, mi no jo de okay. Dan do go gbog e ma ye. All we care for is to show love to one another. But talk about how aga education. If anamotin almost la wasogbe. Almost la wasogbe. Uwa must me mo patala dia. Erio de o kan wa no wa ma de be ba wa roro wa ya giom. Don't want wa gie. Don't want wa gie. Ivo lo no wa mula dia na wa we karanya. Wa mami no si wa boluane ma shogo wa menwa unyime dano ru wa hiem no wa dona egede no wa ya gbale papasi eni kata mu wa atiki we mekunu egede unyima atrocity no wa do we pete ugena no toge la dia madan no le o wa mi obuse unyime dano ru wa hiem no wa ma wonu wa figure na Au salo ba de gege matata. Aga no pe wo de gege matata. Ugo no pe wo de gege matata. Orion mo de gege matata. Ogo ne buje me de gege matata. Veni teme na be denena. Ya gege matata mawe. If you do otherwise, if you no me obi I must tell you my medic no na baku etama wen. Eri me wata. Ekenuna baku e wata mawe wason. Uwe baku je no kokom. Believe me. You could have respected Esther and let this party go away from finish on ground before taking any action you want to take, before start complaining. Then your work who will respect a cane, who respect any. That is only where who na momenina go work one. Deti ma respect we no dena ege dame iye tia gwewe na tia deni ya go we maki ije nu kokomo oh my goodness osunu gba no tie ni we no de oh my goodness wa be respect egbuwa abi huoba cause my me na ki watch Ezo, wagave arene numa, why do any cone, wakokako, why do laoji, vena deboye, mego. Why do laoji? Atu wa home ke buke win ave him. Abuame wamida. When no occasion of the yenu come. You no see gallant men and gallant women near Balokano, de vi Manchester no ga. If you Manchester ni mokeke, iya gbalokan. You know the same. Forget you know kokoma forget. Respect na ogo ayari ene gbenu. Ogo ama be ogun asin. That is not so na nya. You when awa man me like it right from the one. When my me arovi me wo wedere. Aga arovi me hore be messenger. And you have it is ni ya ni ga arovi me be make a defend the way. Aga arovi me hore. Mama forget that woman. Mama forget that woman. I mean ma do apologize in we ma get Rudime because I am a peacemaker. Rudime yana lajando de do apologize in do we mine ni me time we denena. I call them one-on-one because it is yagbe Ya ge me na anyo gbe so an dale no be dandore. Eri yawe. Suppresse ya. Wala ho. Beni ste do ala de ma no ka fi pe gwe we ma de yan do apologize no because I did that. Mo call ya. Because we do away no son me. You are pushing me too far. Even when me I takabo because he wina wo bora ni. When me I ye takabo. Obe no be trade the nana. Meswa be a calling. Can you imagine? Ba ye zo ya une. Ba ye me ya une. Most of the presenter you got buy me benita so a daughter let me mama you they support them. Well, no, I am not supporting anybody. But this is how it should be. Or you let me be. Because me can't go wallow daddy. Neya here. Many ni calli ni cover kokako. Neya kama wega o lady nata. Almost a presenter be send about you na give me na. Better me ya hansa yin. Egbebe go yin na. Go and make peace. Cause it dolewo. Or see your bed. Ya make a peace. The phone we are call you. I don't want to hear it more. Go and make peace. Ere me yagbe. E no ijogi do kokona mona wa mohu. O no na occasion ni na ajin go we kuni praise e we here. Ni na do lati abena. Amede mede egbenyan. That is the reason in that go ego. Umave gie we kufu ne na woke no even true woke a European no re. Ogi kwefo ne do onu gwo ma no onu gugwa. Feel free. Feel free. Wa be arme na ya da no ma he. Wa me na ya da no ma he. In review wa be muwe mi okpa be de na ho. Wa da negbe. Imena suwe kuba kegere a da negbe o si emere a o wa si emere bi edo ne wagiri a da negbe o si emere wa da negbo wa ba kokako a de to we wa zin egbe na ugi iku na wa ya wa fo yo tori ni ko se koko wa bio e koko wa so we ba bete egbanuwa ikuna ta wa ko eta amobonya kega settle down ku ikuna amobonya kega abo ame wa me dan wa so ajiku igo na ya fiwe ba wa o wa yo salobo a waji emi no sunu wa a waji e ko ga ho wa ga vulu wa agwao agwere no rebe goma aya koko ere no rebe gesta na fi almost to yakoko and almost to mane we need Jesus Christ. Okay, ego oji ege no na su se he ye we baro kinzele le ran everything wa wan dege. When God finally start blessing her, what the whole devil. Okay, nine. Ezo wana wagbalo papasi no wade gbe fo de we ko no wa mo ezo wana wagbalo si got too much gbo ga ibugbe gitin o no wa ya hegwe walawa ikaka mo wa wege no pe waso eme mma wa no wa ya waso sanati eme mma wa no wa sanati. How full at 50 is a full forever. One at a time. You will write me today when I block. I will open you later. I don't like nonsense on my live video. Whenever I give message, when you do nonsense, I block your ass. I block your ass. So I see you today. I have to open you later. Whenever I am doing something, I don't like people writing rubbish on my live video. When I know, yes, what I am saying, nothing but the truth. When you do nonsense on my live video, I block your ass. I will block it straight away. So respect yourself, eh? Eda. Respect yourself. Chon me redos. Respect yourself. Kaya de look more gene. When no we me ti de ye gbo we no geke no do ti we no agma ke no na no a supply. Can you imagine no sense? E me so teme. E me so teme. Wala ho. Ai we na ni lele lolo no ro wa ya we mi ati e bedero we me e lolo imo we lolo bo we mo we ba fa mo we ba fa e mo we ba bi e mi ni wa so pa me ma be la ke na wa e me wa gbo we yule e me ta e me wa be gbo we yule be gani. When I see you are doing good, it that don't comment. We are not quarrel, not that I hate anybody, no, but a way is not good for my life. No. When you are making saga, making trouble all over the place, I don't put comments. Comment, you honor one more to ya with saga. That is my way of living. Why, what for ne? You the bad. You jubilate, no, then I have a comment, Lily. I was so happy. You are looking good, looking beautiful. Okay, ni me imahete. Saloba degeme. Di yon, ma vo ma va gbe wo since ni kerek peti uge. Ma we lolo ma va gbe wo one day. Ikebe la hin peti uge no. Ni ma show ma wo ave va gbe wo. Whenever you people are doing things, okay, to wa we ria be no dey wa we ria be ni. That is me straight away. Lolo, what you did, it was not good for my liking. I wa we ria ni. But in Maria Bena, Obiera jubilate. She was really happy. People were really happy with her on that party. What is wrong with her dress? I will go Nigeria. Why I say we don't wagre? We don't know some me. I don't hear you. I don't know mosi. I don't know na you come in or rejo wagyo sawe nigazo we gino we are gonna or save anesi. Now who they breathe? Now who they breathe? Who they zuzu? Hey, I was one. No lilies at all. We they here, no lilies. Now we they run. No dull moments at all. No dull moments. No dull moments. Maron even no sopuno yayi. Ako. Ma we are gonna be no negabe. Una game it deliver or wano. Ya here do khara kwa. Ifati kalokwa with the vehicle. Ikalokwa. Abwa me wa. Iwa kalokwa. I don't hate anybody, but this one you miss the track. You miss the track. Ako. Ikalokwa gbe ebodi. Imega tota ye manane. O ya ga no pe no ne gagbe. Isun akalo ekwa. He kalo kwa we no mo me ka revie ni vie no me swag. Kalo kwa. Kalo kwa one of universe. He kalo kwa. No dull moment at all. No lilies. Now where they run now. Now where they here. I ga no pe de wo be. Ibe to ga e nane. Aya wa wesi. Ugo no kbewu wa wesi. Ori omo hia wa wesi. Ogo na we jeme wa wesi. Kadele ya ne doya dag na no ba osaya dagmo yi. Yan ro da o yan ro me yeke. No do moment at all. O na gbe me enu. E logo me pise logo ham. So waya wa bebe nege kai. Wa bebe nege kai. If I no love una wetin again. Now where they here? Oh, I beg before I cut this video, Mona go give Mary a dose Bini person. Mona go give am Bini person. Okay, if you guinea ni leleki ni buy. Sagin oko gbagogwo. E gbagogwo no wari over here done. No samo we say. O samo we bo we o samo we va van samo we va we here. Wala ho wo. E sagin oko e gbagogwo we gbe e ki Senegal no mu here. Esa gyanko egbagogwo wala wo wa ya mu e ovi edo no sekpe no ne mi e de yo se no ne mi e mu dia se wa mu ne meri edos oni okin ati mu ori oto ni eje na e abe sagen no gbokun yo egbe ni ukun na si eje yi te we ne meri edos yi ado Sageni no bokon ye be no me na lahin. No me na de okay nesi. So tomorrow is another journey for it. Waya wa bebe nege kai. Eje no kokomo. Azo ho ba no kin. Anyiwe no rije. Anyiwe no rije. Tije to nyise. Ebe no janyina. No. No. A mother, they behave like a mother. When a mother is not missing the track, when a mother is not missing the track, anybody who see you start doing you anyhow, giving you names that you will not even like later. Because you have already missed the track. Anyway, you are not acting according to that name. You are not acting according to that name. Love you all. Be good to one another, my people. One love. Always keep us together. One love. Always keep us together. The outcome of this video, once I have done with this one today, the nuisance noise, I don't care about those things. That is me. Mega give a message in it. A nuisance, I don't want to listen. That is me. And nobody should comment on any of them video. No. I don't watch it. Then so aproko the Godfather. So if you don't know, I don't listen to they say. Once I've done with this video, anything that people say later on social network is none of my business. Believe me. As usual now. As usual. Una know na. Say me, not the send all those things. As usual. Make una know. Call me for any video you see outside. Or you see on media. A battle. So when niggas don't call me. Don't. Me watching, and that is me. Me once me give anything at all. No read later. Hey, me no we are gonna look no negi or money no time no yami or money ne ragwe no joro gijare no or money ne ragwe no joro ikpise logi han or money ne ragwe no joro we wo ko baye dake me no igajo igavere Oviaga no biga joro. Agbogba ke ni wo de o. Egi ga jore. Iga jo. Iga vere. Oviaga no biga joro. Agbogba ke ni wo de o. Egi ga jore. Iga jo. Mega vere. Oviaga no biga joro. Agbogba ke ni wo de o. Egi ga jore. Agbogba ke ni wo de o. Egi ga jore. Agbogba ke ni wo de o. Igajuna game iyebere iajore behia agbogba oviagan no pewude odanwe omona sukibi no enigbe no eno nira sukibi kate omonera he ni agi kwedon oriba ikwedon mosquito cockroach no ga gon ya na adame ho. I only pass message once. He pass a message in Igbava. Once I pass it, anything you say there, it's no me figure. I don't watch it. Even no so why I don't want to even know. So it's all for what here. I remain your one and only, the humble lady, Queen of Sawenigazowegi, still mommy Queen of Sawenigazowegi, aka the heavily made, aka Ulele Fenogarueru, a nigga yo wego, a bag bogman to Yarueru, aka I love Ozan. AKA I mean Nero Igbe AKA we no digging gago ni senre o mi go weki o to wala je no kokomo hi o salobwa AKA otakwatise AKA osanimaga oriona ge ededo gba owe AKA uga we na lo da owe ali eke wewe AKA osio ni yeke no si. That is me, Sawenigazowegi. AKA, even in Ikaoko. AKA, Agbovio Sakweku. AKA, oh, Benimose, one of the whole world. AKA, Royal Highness Eze Wine, Ikembu one of Spain. Easy to carry heavy title. No easy. Can you do it? The answer is no. AKA Ovi Gonokbewu. AKA the Ogbuduwemi one of the whole world. AKA no seno wemi owe. AKA no ma seno wemi o haranya umadebe ni yakti edena. AKA no seno wemi owe. No ma seno wemi o haranya. In fact o hiye nyae. Rudawe no seno wemi owe. No ma seno wemi ba we o haranya. AKA Omagiale Ariton, Omagiaton, Arriva, Omagiava, Bawehe, ya, Ari where you worry, no, AKA, Oviaganok benokbe, AKA, Mo Viaganok beninu, Negiagbe, Meno, Hako, Idzena Hasa. That is the title given to me by God Almighty. Madeveni yati yaena, Eze Wine. The queens of all queens. You don't know what's in there now. Igbo king, now give me that title. Royal Highness Eze Wine, Ikebungwano Spain. Omagbameva. King of Igbo land, now give me that name. Omagbameva. You know the saying say, no send of women, or where, more send of the ave title now, enough view, you get women. Because woman has send of your title, we have your title here in your rule down way. Now marriage to carry out this title. Okay. AKA the Odugan one of the whole world. Now me reach to carry him. Now I carry him. Omagiale ainye. Omagianya aiton. Omagiaton arriva. Omagiava. I wear heavy do. I wear your worry. Men no vi wano. Oh, we are gonna benu negiagbe. I love you here. I love you guys. Die. God here wa baby nege kai. Wa beat down me ho and wa be go basi. Oba we na geri ayen wo. Oba we na ge gbiyan dole wo. Oba we e ma ya no ri dole wo jine. O we na ge yo bo kan yan. Ruda we idole wo. O si obedo. Udenera bome. Udeniye bome. Udene do bome. Imia mia iseti mia mia nagmoma me ni mie nato era meje udenera bume udeniye bume udene do bume imia mia iseti mia mia nagmoma me ni mie nato eye meje aidane gbo sieme o aidane gbo sieme re danu wahia o aidane gbo sieme re danu wahia o dane gbo sieme re danu wahia o aidane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o dane gbo sieme re danu wahia o aidane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o dane gbo sieme re danu wahia o dane gbo sieme o idanu bane dome o adane gbo sieme re ke wo khame ya o adane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o adane gbo sieme re danu wahia o adane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o adane gbo sieme re danu wahia o adane gbo sieme o idanu mobo adane gbo sieme re danu moweko dane gbo sieme o idane poli yekeko adane gbo sieme re kapanoro eko adane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o dane gbo sieme re danu wahia o dane gbo sieme o idanu okpe o adane gbo sieme re danu oko adane gbo sieme o idanu wahia o adane gbo sieme re danu wahia o adane gbo sieme o yes adane gbo o sieme re in kela o wa me ena we ni danu wahia fefefe no rako kakonu wadia. I danegbe osiemere. I am your humble lady. Osawe ni gazo wegim. Idanu wahia. Idanu ni kao hia. Ni kao mehia. Idanu mi robero hiaba. Idanu wahia fefeferu danwe. Omono gbewuge. Enyo nyai. Beni kata. Enyai hia. Aru wavi. Oje no manyage. Eno gbeni. Oh, suppose. Uwa ugenu nagbe. Amo evorion wo nyage ni. Eva ni nyage. Nyaro waye. Ogije no manyage he. So idanu wahia fefefe ba koka konu wadia. Idanu wahia omona mo wehi. Ovi wahi. Oti wahi. Osi wahi. Roda we. I danegbe osi meri. So you know. Udenera bume. Udeni ebume. Udene do bume. Imia mia giseti mia mia. Nagbon mame ni mie nato era meje. Udenera bume. Udeni ebume. Udene do bume. Imia mia iseti mia mia. Nagbon mame ni mie nato iye meje. Debonera mekpe me o. Ebude no deboniye mekpe me o. Bude no awe nigera. Ebude no awe nigetuge. Bude no niga gotorio weyi. Bude no viga sisye vuko. Bude no awe nigetemi na ome mase. Bude no nera mekpe me o. Bude no awe nigetuge ko. Bude no debonera mekpe me o. Bude no debonije mekpe me. Bude no. Yes. Awe gakian osaya weme o owe me gakian osaya weme o iwo saya weme goma o awe gakian osaya weme o o isaya weme jeme awe gakian osaya weme o aga no pe mo ya weme me gakian osaya weme o ugo no pe wo ya weme o mega kia o saya weme o ogo ne wije mo ya weme o mega kia o saya weme o o isaya weme jeme we mega kia o saya weme o etien to ya weme baba mega kia o saya weme o o isaya weme jeme we mega kia o saya weme o isebo onaga senunu ha o isebo omoga kanunu me o erungo gi moseme iwisebo omoga kanunu me o aradena aradena auga gbeme no wa o aradena agigbomo no mo aradena arademe na papa va o arademe na papa va o aradena nuga gbeme no wa o aradena agigbomo no mo aradena omaga gbe momo omaga ria momo omaga gbe momo gagba no pe omaga gbe momo omaga momo omaga gbe momo agbaga no pe edeni bi owi me goje bi mariu kmonrun o omaga gbe momo agbaga no pe omaga gbe momo omaga momo omaga gbe momo agbaga no pe edeni bi owi me goje bi mariu kmonrun o Omagekbe momo agbára no pe meleluwade ibi otu mege no jeme o agalele masi o emigi logoma meleluwade aga no pe mege no pe bo me o agalele masi o emigi logoma meleluwade ugo no pe bo mege no jeme o agalele masi o emigi logoma meleluwade ogo ne wiye me o agalele masi o emigi logoma meleluwade wage agbe me o wage amu me o aga no pe me meleluwade aga no pe mege no jeme o agalele masi o emigi logoma Okin ogwe ni bae a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bae a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bae a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e ogwe na kwa gi megbe a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bare a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bae a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bae a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e ogwe na kwa gi megbe a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e okin ogwe ni bare a o e okin ogwe ni bae me o a o e. Stay blessed, my people. Love you till infinity. Love you guys till infinity. I wanna know now the love when I get for all of you now. They inside my kidney. I'll keep on there. When nothing go fit touch. I know that play with my fans, so I no joke with my fans. Lovers of Osawe Megazowege. The people will get coin for hearts. I too love una die. I remain your humble lady, Royal Queen Osawe Negazowege. Stay, mommy Queen Osawe Negazowege. Now we the runner. If you're not body, no, they don't go there, not touch there. I don't know, no lilies at all. Now we dey here. Now we dey here, no dull moments. Love you guys. Stay blessed. See you guys tomorrow as God pleased. Bye bye and stay blessed.